pour over yung salsa just like that. Cheers! Oh. Ano pa mga kabalin? Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga. For today's vlog, pinadahan po tayo ni Sarsarap Letson Grill. Ito pong nasa harap natin is yung kanilang Smoke Baka. This is a Smoke Lechon Baka. Actually, available pa po sa kanilang menu. Let me just read bago po natin tikman ito. They also have Smoked Lechon Ribs, Smoked Lechon Chicken, and they also have Pork Lechon Roll. Smoked Lechon Baka, as low as 120 pesos for the 100 grams. 1 kilo naman is 899 pesos. Guys, hindi ko na patatagalin to. Oh man. Herbs and spices. Dagdagan na natin guys para lalo kayong matakam sa mga lechon baka natin. Lechon sauce, vinegar with Carolina Reaper, sweet barbecue. Sausaw natin dito guys since tayo-tayo lang naman ang kakain dito. Grabe! What I like about the beef natin is kahit medyo fatty yung beef natin, I actually enjoyed it. Sarap ng marination actually. Sweet and sour. Kung ganun yung tipo nyo sa mga sauces, available yun. Now, I wanna try is yung kanilang lechon sauce, which is this one. Let's dip it here. Oh! Personally, para sa akin, ito mas ma-appreciate ng mga Kapampangan since nasanay tayo sa mga lechon sarsa. Oh, look at that. Sarap nito. That was hot. Grabe, kaparas na. Kaparas na. Come closer, cameraman. Ayan, pakita natin how tender yung meat natin. Actually, nag-enjoy ako dun sa sarsa. Look at that. Dip. One more dip. One more dip. Naiwan yun. Sorry. Sayang. Show you more kung ano yung mga choices natin dito. Choice cuts. Very evident yung mga seasoning natin. Ayan. Woo! Okay, let me get this part right here. Ito. And since nag-enjoy ako dito sa sarsa, pour over yung sarsa just like that. Ito na yon. Cheers! Kitang kaya na fat. I like the fat. Konting Carolina Reaper para may konting anghang. Isa sa mga sobrang nag-e-enjoy ako guys is kapag sobrang tender ng meat natin. Kasi kahit gaano kasarap yung lasa, matigas naman yung meat natin. Medyo awkward yun kapag kinakain. Since ang hirap sa ngipin nun, di ba? But this one, slow cook, long time in cooking, may effort at ginalingan. Nga pala, so available din sa kanila yung Cochinillo. 3 to 5 kg is just 4,500 and for 6 kg, it's just 6,500. So if you're craving for Cochinillo, you know the hype. May experience nyo rin sa mga event ninyo or even sa mga private dining, order na po tayo kay Sarsarap Letson Grill. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye guys.